Meet the all-new 2026 Nissan Rogue Plug-in Hybrid, Nissan's first plug-in hybrid for the US market. From every angle, this SUV carries a confident stance that blends rugged capability with modern refinement. Strong body lines, a bold front fascia, and a clean, athletic profile give the Rogue PHEV a commanding look on the road. Whether it's cruising through the city or standing still, this design makes a statement. Up close, the details really stand out. The multi-element LED headlights bring a sharp, high-tech signature to the front. The grille carries a more sculpted design, tying the look together with a premium finish. And those 20-inch dark painted wheels add a powerful touch that elevates its presence. Each element has been crafted to bring both style and purpose to Nissan's newest electrified SUV. Under the hood is where the Rogue Plug-in Hybrid truly steps forward. It combines a pair of electric motors, a 20 kilowatt-hour battery, and a 2.4-liter gasoline engine for a total of 248 horsepower and 322 pound-feet of torque. The setup gives you the flexibility of EV driving with the long-distance confidence of a hybrid. Practicality is just as impressive. The cargo area is wide and versatile for road trips, hobbies, and everyday needs. And on the side, the charging port lets you top up the battery at home in around 7.5 hours using a level 2 charger. On the road, the Rogue Plug-in Hybrid keeps things smooth and responsive. Standard all-wheel drive gives you confidence in changing weather, while 7 drive modes help adapt to everything from daily commutes to weekend escapes. With up to 38 miles of all-electric range and a total range of 420 miles, it's built to fit seamlessly into real life. Step inside, and the focus shifts to comfort and technology. A 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay comes standard, paired with a sharp 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Higher trims add a 10-inch head-up display and a premium Bose audio system for an immersive experience. The cabin is filled with soft-touch materials, easy-to-use controls, and a thoughtful layout. With 3 rows of seating and room for 7, the Rogue Plug-in Hybrid is built for families who want both space and electrification without compromise. With its bold design, smart hybrid system, and family-ready versatility, the 2026 Nissan Rogue Plug-in Hybrid marks an exciting new step in Nissan's electrified lineup.